Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make a lemon blueberry cake, and that too without using fresh or even frozen blueberries. Not everyone has access to fresh blueberries, and using frozen ones becomes too expensive sometimes. So this is the perfect fix because the ingredient we are going to use to flavor this cake is readily available almost everywhere. It gives us the perfect color, as you can see, the perfect pink color without adding any extra color, and the flavor is amazing. This cake is so soft and so moist, and it's not too sweet. It's a little sour because of the lemon, and it's really yummy. For the blueberry flavor, we are going to use a secret ingredient which you're going to find out later. So let's get started. We need 50 grams of curd, 50 grams of milk, 50 grams of unflavored oil, 50 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. I'm using fresh lemons, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 100 grams of blueberry crush, 120 grams of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'll take a large bowl and I'll add the sugar to it. Now to this I'll add the lemon zest. This will bring out the flavor of the lemon even more. And if you don't want a very strong lemon flavor, you can skip out the lemon juice. The lemon zest will work fine. To this I'll add all the wet ingredients, which are milk, curd, oil, vanilla essence and lemon juice. You can increase or decrease this according to your taste. I'm also going to add blueberry crush. Yes, this is the ingredient that is going to give us the perfect blueberry flavor as well as the color. We're not going to add any extra color or essence to this. Just look at how beautiful the color is. At this stage, you can taste the liquid mixture and adjust the quantity of lemon according to your taste. If it's too sour, you can add a little sugar to it. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients, flour, baking soda and baking powder, and I'm going to sift it in. Sifting is important to get a fluffy and soft cake. Now you just have to mix it in until everything is well combined. And as with every cake, you need to make sure that you don't overmix the batter after adding the flour. Otherwise you'll end up with a really dense cake, and we don't want that. If you have fresh or frozen blueberries at hand, you can add them at this stage. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Baked Goodness by Manvi. I'm using a spatula to give it a final mix, and then I'll pour it in a greased pan. For this recipe, you will need a 6-inch baking tin, and you can find the written recipe in the description box below. I grease my cake tins using oil and flour. You can use a butter paper if you want. And now I'll tap it and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's baked. I'm putting in a toothpick to test if it's done. You can see the toothpick is very nice and clean. That means it's done. Now I'll let it sit for 10 minutes before demolding it, and then I'll take it out on a wire rack. This cake does not require any cream or frosting on top. It's perfect as it is. But just for the purpose of this video, I wanted it to look a little more attractive. So I added a glaze to it. I mixed icing sugar and lemon juice and added a drop of yellow color to it. I topped it with some colorful sprinkles. You can skip this if you want. Just look at that texture. The crumb is perfect. It's so soft and moist, and the color is beautiful. It tastes amazing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.